The dump truck is going to eat a hamburger.
Yeah!
What is the bulldozer doing?
Okay.
Bulldozer.
Amazing.
Oh no! That's not right!
Oh my god!
You should not take someone else's hamburger.
Come here.
The bulldozer drives away. Hey! The dump truck wants to get the hamburger back. Uh-oh! The bulldozer turns into a no-entry road. That's dangerous.
Oh no!
It breaks the barrier and falls into a big water pit. The dump truck gets the hamburger back and sees the bulldozer stuck in the pit.
Oh no!
What happened?
It quickly calls the construction rescue team.
Hello.
Crane truck.
I like it.
Hey!
Mixer truck.
Let's go.
Flatbed truck.
It's my time.
Water truck.
So nice.
The rescue vehicles arrive at the site.
Come here.
Let's start.
Okay. It's my time.
The crane truck lifts the bulldozer onto the tow truck.
Okay. Let's go. It's my time.
The water tanker sucks all the water out of the pit. Now it's the cement mixer's turn. It fills the big hole with cement. All done.
Go.
Time to repair the bulldozer.
What is this?
The wheels are broken.
Good job. I like it.
Take them off first.
It's so nice. Look at this. Okay.
Put on 4 new wheels.
Nice. What's next? I got it.
Hammer the bent part straight. Install a new blade.
Okay.
Wipe the mud away.
Look at this. Nice. Good job.
Repair complete.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
The dump truck and the bulldozer share the hamburger happily.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.